Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check on an Epson XP-412. Now this can be done directly from the printer using the screen on the front. So I'm going to use the arrow keys here and move along to Setup. Press OK. Now we need to go to the second option down, which is Maintenance. Hopefully you can see that. Press OK. The very first option here is Nozzle Check. So we press OK again. With the paper in. It's this button over here on the right. And it's as simple as that. You get a little test page printout, which breaks down, well, should break down all four colours the printer is able to produce. So you've got your cyan, magenta, yellow, and we should have black here. Now I've been cleaning this for a good long while, not seeing any improvement, so I think the print head of this machine may be on the way out, unfortunately. But hopefully you've got a better result. If you haven't, there is the ability to do automated cleaning cycles from the printer itself. In fact, once it's done, you have the option on screen here. So you can either finish up if you're happy with it. If you go down, there's your option for head cleaning. I'd recommend doing this to try and pull through some ink and hopefully resolve that issue for yourself. Now, I hope you found this useful. If there's anything else you would like to know, do let us know in the comments down below. If there's anything else you need to know about your machine, we have several other videos for it on our channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.